So right side will have q. Q may be any function of x, and p may be any function of x, or they may be constants. So what is the integrating factor? You got integrating factor as what? X. Now we need to go to the solution. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. Or if you know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, IF means integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. Now that is y into what is integrating factor, and further e power 2x you can transfer that side, it will become divided by. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with differential equation, that is linear differential equation. So dear students, equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is linear differential equation. In your board exam for PUC, compulsory one linear differential equation problem they'll ask. So dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called as what? Linear differential equation. And for this equation, where p and q are functions of x, they may be functions of x, or they may be constants, So right side will have q. Q may be any function of x, and p may be any function of x, or they may be constants. So dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called as linear differential equation. For this, first we should find integrating factor IF. Integrating factor IF is e power integration of pdx. First we should find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integration of pdx. IF means integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integration of pdx. And solution. Solution is simple. Solution is y into IF is equal to integration of q into IF dx. What is the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into IF dx. So if the problem is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, we call it as a linear differential equation. This is type 1. And for this, first we need to find integrating factor. Integrating factor IF is e power integration of pdx. Then solution for this is directly y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into IF dx. So take a notebook and make a note of it, and this can be derived also. Means if the equation is in this form or reducible to this form, we can use this method. So now, to solve this problem, the given problem is what? Dy by dx plus 2y. So it is in the form, the given problem is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. By method of comparison, p in the place of p I have 2. In the place of q, RHS sin x. So first we need to find p and q. I got p and q. Then you need to find integrating factor. Then find what? Integrating factor. What is IF? E power integration of p dx. That is e power integration of 2 dx. So e power integration of 2 dx is 2x. And we should not put plus c because at the end we'll include the integral constant. So first your job is to get the integrating factor. So now I got integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E power 2x. So dear students, first check whether the problem is in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Yes, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. By method of comparison, this is p. P is what? 2. By method of comparison, this is q. Q is what? Sin x. I told you, p and q may be functions of x or they may be constants. See here, one is constant, one is function of x. Then you should find integrating factor. First, learn the formula for integrating factor. What is the formula for integrating factor? Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. That is e power integration of 2 dx. You know, integration of 2 dx is 2x. So you got IF. Now you write the solution. What is the solution? So solution is y into IF, y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx. This is the answer. Y into what is integrating factor? E power 2x. Integration of q. What is q? Sin x. Sin x into integrating e power x dx. Integrating factor is e power x. Now we got the solution, y into 2x. Now I call this as I plus c. I plus c. Now our task is to find I, where I is equal to integration of the remaining part. What is that? E power x sin x dx, or sin x this part. I am calling it as I. Now you know how to integrate this. So in order to integrate this, this is our solution. So in order to integrate this, I call this as 1, or call this as 1, I call this as 2. Now parts, first function into integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of minus cos x into derivative e power x is e power x dx. I am using parts, first function into integration of second minus integration of second into derivative of first. So first is e power x, integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of second means integration of sin is minus cos into derivative of e power x is e power x. Further we have I is equal to e power minus e power x cos x, then minus into minus becomes plus integration of e power x cos x dx. Again we need to use parts for this. So minus e power x cos x, using parts, e power x is the first function into integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of cos x is sin x into derivative of e power x is e power x dx. I'll rearrange this so it will become minus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus, this is given problem, sin x into e power x, or can I call it as e power x into sin x dx. E power x into sin x dx or sin x into e power x dx is I. So now, I is equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus I. Bring minus I to this side, I plus I is equal to, in these two terms take e power x common. So e power x, if I take common sin x positive first I'll write, then minus cos x. Then 2i is equal to e power x sin x minus cos x. Now I need I is what? E power x by 2 sin x minus cos x. Call it as equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in 1. Put 3 in 1, that is your solution. So what is 1? Y into e power 2x is equal to I plus c. What is I? E power x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus, finally we should write c. And further e power 2x you can transfer that side, it will become divided by, and simplify or leave it here, not an issue, it's in standard form. I hope all of you got this. Next, again the problem 2 is also in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to what? Q. By method of comparison, what is p? P is 3. And by method of comparison, what is q? E power minus 2x. Now you got p value, you got q value. So now find integrating factor if. What is integrating factor? E power integration of p dx. So that is e power integration of what is p? P is what? 3 dx. So integration of 3 dx is e power 3x. This is integrating factor. So first your task is to get integrating factor, we got it. Now write the solution. What is the solution? Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to, I am writing the solution for the differential equation. So for linear differential equation, y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Now y into what is if? E power 3x. E power 3x is equal to integration of what is q? Q is e power minus 2x. E power minus 2x into what is if? E power 3x dx plus c. Now y into e power 3x is equal to a power m into a power n is a power m plus n minus 2x plus 3x dx plus c. Now that is y into e power 3x is equal to e power x dx plus c. Now simplify this, it will be integration of, so LHS is y into e power 3x is equal to integration of e power x is e power x plus c, or transfer e power 3x to this side, so it will become e power x by e power 3x plus c by e power 3x, or you can write y is equal to e power minus 2x plus e power minus 3x plus c into c. So I hope all of you understood this. Next, we have the third problem. It is in the form of dy by dx plus, can I write it as 1 by x into y? Y by x is equal to x square. Now it is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. By method of comparison, in the place of p we have p is 1 by x and we have q. Q is x square. Now we should find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integration of p dx. So that is e power integration of 1 by x dx. That is e power log base ex. So now these two cancels. So what is I of integrating factor is x. So what is the integrating factor? You got integrating factor as what? X. Now we need to go to the solution. What is the solution? Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now y into what is the integrating factor you got? We got integrating factor as x is equal to integration of q. What is q? Q is x square. X square into what is integrating factor? X dx plus c. That is yx is equal to integration of x cube dx plus c. That is yx is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. Or y transfer x to that side, so it will become x power 4 by 4x plus c by x. Or we say x cube by 4 plus c by x is y. And leave it like this or this. So every problem was in what form? Dy by dx plus py equal to q form. Now this is in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and in the place of p I have secant x, in the place of q I have tan x. So now I need to find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integration of p dx, that is e power integration of what is p value? Secant x dx. All of you know integration of secant is e power log base e secant x plus tan x. Now exponential log cancels, so integrating factor is just secant x plus tan x. Now we got integrating factor. Now go to the solution. What is the solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now that is y into what is integrating factor? Secant x plus tan x. Substitute it. So y into secant x plus tan x is equal to integration of q. What is q? Q is RHS, that is tan x into secant x plus tan x dx plus c. Now simplify this. So RHS y into secant x plus tan x, LHS, RHS. So first time you multiply, it becomes tan x into secant x or secant x into tan x dx, plus second term tan x into tan x becomes tan square x dx. Finally I'll write integral constant in the beginning. So now y into secant x plus tan x is equal to integration of secant into tan is secant x, and this is integration of tan square x can be written as, all of you know 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Tan square theta can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx, you know, because secant square x with respect to dx. Now plus c. Finally we'll have y into secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. This is a final answer. Further, if you want, you can simplify or leave it. I hope all of you understood this. Then the next question. See here in the problem 5, dy by dx we have quotient. What is linear differential equation? Linear differential equation means dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Do you agree? Where p and q are functions of x are constants. So quotient of dy by dx should be 1. But here we have quotient as cos square x. So the first thing is reduce it into standard form. Divide cos square x on both sides. If you do that, it will become dy by dx plus y by cos square x is equal to tan x by cos square x. Now simplify this. Dy by dx plus 1 by cos square can be written as secant square x y. Further, this also can be written as tan x into secant square x. Now it is in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. By method of comparison, write p. So what is p? P is secant square x. Now what is q? Q is tan x into secant square x. Tan x into what? Secant square x. So now if, integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integration p dx. That is e power integration secant square x dx. You know, integration of secant square x is tan x. E power tan x is the integrating factor. So now we got integrating factor, that is e power tan x. Now you can write the solution. The solution is what? So solution y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is e power tan x. So e power tan x. So here we got integrating factor e power tan x, and q is what? Tan x into secant square x. So tan x into secant square x into if is e power tan x dx plus c. Now LHS is simple, y e power tan x, but in RHS I'll take t as e power tan x. Put t as tan x, this t becomes tan x becomes t, and this will become e power t, secant square x dx becomes dt. I'm putting what? T is equal to tan x. All of you know, if you differentiate, dt becomes secant square x dx. So we have secant square x dx. Instead of secant square x and dx, I'll put dt, and e power tan x becomes e power t. So now use parts. You know, I late. So exponential should be taken as last. It is in the order first into integration of e power t is e power t minus integration of e power t is e power t into derivative of t is 1 dt plus c. I am using parts. Further, it will become y into e power tan x is equal to t e power t minus integration of e power t is e power t plus c. That's it. So now in the place of t, substitute the values of y e power tan x is equal to tan x into e power tan x minus e power tan x plus c. If you want, you can take out e power tan x common. So if you take e power tan x common, it will be tan x minus 1 plus c. Then you can transfer this, it will become e power divided by e power tan x. Here also e power tan x. You can cancel the terms. So y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus e power minus tan x into c. Or you can leave it here. Hope all of you understood this. So the same method, here we have x. What you should do? Divide both sides by x and simplify. If you do that, it will become dy by dx is equal plus 2 by xy is equal to x log x. Now integrating factor. So p is 2 by x. E power integration 2 by x dx. That is e power 2 log x. That is e power log x square. That is x square. E and log e cancels. So now you got if. What is if? X square. Now solution y into if. What is y into if? Y into x square is equal to integration of q. Q is what? X log x into x square dx plus c. Y into x square into integration of x log x into x square. X square becomes what? X cube. X cube log x dx. Use parts. Y into x square. First function. Highlight says L should come first. So I'll write this problem as log x into x cube dx. And we'll continue. So it will become y into x square is equal to integration of x cube log x dx or log x cube dx, because we have to interchange. According to Eilert, first you write logarithm, then you write the remaining. So I can write it as log x into x cube. So it will become y into x square into first function into, all of you know, integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus again x power 4 by 4 into derivative of log x is 1 by x dx. So y x square is equal to x power 4 log x by 4 minus this x and x cancels, 1 by 4 is constant, it will become integration of x cube dx. Simplify this, so it will become yx square x power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 x power 4 by 4 plus c. So that is finally we will be left out with yx square is equal to x power 4 by 4 log x minus x power 4 by 4 plus c. I hope all of you understood this. So same method we can use to solve the problems. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.